Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul, and I spent $145 for 2 weeks for a family of 7. Stay tuned and I will show you how I do it. Okay, so this does not include a case of water that we picked up from Walmart. That's outside, and chicken that's getting ready to go on the grill. So we have hot dog here for the children. We got 3 thing of hot dog. I think these were $1. And then this is my husband's meat, because if you guys don't know, I only cook Monday through Thursday. So for 2 weeks, I will cook 8 times in 2 weeks. Then Friday is yo-yo, meaning you're on your own, you figure out what to eat. And then Saturday and Sunday, my husband is in charge of those 2 days. So this is one of his choices for the weekend. So we picked that up, ground beef. And how we are able to spend so little on food is that we meal plan. So when we meal plan, and this includes lunches for the children and my husband for work. So we meal plan and we stick to one meal, like we do haystack, and we'll stick to that until we decide to switch it up. So we have sour cream here, and I use the regular. My husband likes the light. Rob likes the light. I like the chipotle ranch. He likes the sweet, the dahlia onion. Then we have barbecue sauce over here, honey barbecue sauce. And then we have, well, he picked up 2 honey. And then we have ketchup. And we don't buy name brand. We buy the off brand. So whatever that is. So that's how we're able to save money there. We picked up 2 things of large egg. Hopefully we don't need, but there is room in the budget. So we budget 200, and whatever we don't spend either goes to savings, or if something comes up and we need an ingredient for a meal, we have money to go and get it. So if we don't use it within that 2 weeks, it goes into savings. So we have eggs here. We have milk. This is 2% milk. We have almond crunchy honey oats, crunchy honey oats, and then another one. So this is for 3 weeks for Destiny and Jackson. The other kids get lunch at school, so there's that. And then this is the big international delight hazelnut. This was $3.99 at ALDI's, and this is the big one. Great value kernel corn, and then sweet peas. These are what Rob used for his lunches, and sometimes I will use it for a meal if it requires it. And then we have ground beef here for a meal for me. So I will do either I'll throw some beans in here and toss it on a salad or something, or I'll do meatloaf or and meatballs. So over here I have, Rob has 1 drumstick for his meal, and I have 1 for me. And then these 2 are also mine, and these are just chicken thigh. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 meals for me. This is another chicken breast. This is 2 meals, so that's 6. Okay, so that's 6 meals for me right there. And then we have hot dogs bun right here, and I got 2 hot dog buns for the hot dog. We have brown rice. Picked this up because it was on clearance, and it's still fresh. I can't eat this because of the broccoli. Yeah, I can't eat broccoli. My stomach just doesn't digest broccoli properly, so I don't eat broccoli. We have some romaine tomato, or Romano, whatever, tomato. We have some coleslaw. These were $1 each. So I picked up 1, 2, 3 of these, and you can use this to make coleslaw. What I'm gonna do is saute it, like, you know, Jamaican style, and use that as a side. And Rob is going to use this for his lunch. We have some avocado for my breakfast in the morning because I do like eggs and avocado. I don't know why, it's just weird. Then we have some cheese singles here for the children's lunches, and then I picked up one sharp cheddar for me to snack on. I like to snack on this. We had some black beans because we no longer buy canned beans. We don't buy canned stuff anymore. We're trying to stay away from that. And then we picked up this penguin baked cheddar, and Maddie ate through the whole bag. Like, that's just what's left. We got some yellow popping corn. I like making this with the children. We have some banana here. We have turkey breast and chicken breast there for the children's lunches, and then also some sharp cheddar cheese for bacon. And I'll do these separate. That's not food. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 loaves of bread, and this is for Rob and the children. It's apples and cinnamon, and we already have apples. Like, we like fresh apples in our oatmeal, so we usually cut up fresh apples in our oatmeal along with this. And we have yogurt, strawberry and yogurt for the children's lunches. Bone broth beef for Rob when he's driving and he's low on carbs or his body is needing something. He heats this up and take it with him. Tuna for days when he eats all of his protein. So I make enough protein for dinners so that he can have something to take to work. So if he eats all of his protein, like leftover, he'll eat it. If he's hungry, he'll take a tuna with him. So that's just backup. And he also takes these just in case he eats all his protein during the week. I hope I'm making sense. We have peanut butter here for our oatmeal. We like to put peanut butter in our oatmeal. It's so good. So good. And this is by far my favorite. I love crunchy peanut butter in my oatmeal. I don't like this one. I like this. It gives it such a really good bite. And yeah. And then we have pretzel sticks. And more pretzel sticks for the children to snack on. Pretzel mini twist for them to snack on, just in case they want something to snack on. We have these, and then we have these cantina whatever tortilla chips for our haystack. When we do haystack.
Too bad they didn't have guacamole.
Yeah, they didn't have the guacamole one. We like the guacamole one. And then over here we bought I'm thinking of doing crock pot meals. So we are Rob liked the grass-fed beef. So we got 2 of these. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all the food, I believe. And then moving on into the non-food item, I got cotton swabs. And if you don't know anything about me, you should know that I enjoy cleaning my ears. Like, if I don't have cotton swabs in the house, I'm going to freak out, because this is like the best thing ever. Like, I love to clean my ears. Like, it's the best feeling in the world. So I have to have cotton swabs. Huh? Okay, whatever. I love cotton swabs, so we're running low, so I had to have a backup just in case. Cotton rounds for Jordan because he's 13 and he has acne, so we're in the process of using Proactive. So I need the cotton rounds to apply. Huh?
That's not sponsored.
I need the cotton rounds to apply the toner. Rob likes using these in the toilet, the Bowl Fresh Plus. So he picked up 1, 2, 3 Bowl Fresh Plus. And then for the girls' hair, Shea Moisture daily hydrating overnight thing for my face. This Flex, this was on clearance. It's trash bag. You get 30 up to 30 gallon for $5.24. This is by far the best toilet bowl cleaner, the lime and rust one. So if you have lime and rust buildup, this is really good. Even though our toilets are brand new, this is good to keep that away. We have 409 surface, and then we got some sponge, and we got dishwasher packs fresh scent, and I believe that's it. Yep, that's it, guys. So this is what 2 weeks worth of food looks like for a family of 7 when you meal plan. And yeah, spend only what you need and nothing more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.